What's up guys? Panibagong week, panibagong opportunities, panibagong blessing na naman tayo. So, sobrang busy namin. Una, yung kotse malapit na matapos. Pangalawa, fully booked sa salon. Pangatlo, nagta-trash to treasure kami. Hindi kami bumibili ng furniture dito para makatipid kami. Libre sila. Tignan nyo naman, ang ganda ng condition. No? Punas lang, tignan nyo ngayon. No? Meron pa kami nakuha doon, relo at saka cabinet. Ganun siya. Ay, shelf. Pagkita ko sa inyo, tara, labas kayo dito. So, ayan, no? Nakakalibre tayo ng mga gamit, kung ano-ano pa. So, ito yung discard dito sa Canada. Hindi mo kailangan palaging bumili ng brand new. Hindi mo kailangan palaging bumili ng kahit ano. Kapag meron nagbibigay, kapag meron ka makukuhanan, kapag free, why not? Diba? Yun yung best price ever. Free. So far, gano'n kami nagsusurvive. Ano masasabi ko? Ba't natin ay kakahiya? Diba? Ano naman masama? Hindi kami bumibili ng furniture. Binibigyan lang kami and namumulot kami. Kasi may tinatawag sila dito, trash to treasure. No? Tawag, ano ba Tagalog nun? Basta nilalabas nila yung ayaw na nilang gamit dun sa ganyan, kunwari ganyan ang salon nila. Tapos kung sinong gusto mag-pick up, pick upin nila. Kailangan nyo lang linisin, punasan, and then that's it. May nikuha kaming cabinet shelf ang pong TV stand. Yan guys, so ang linis, di ba? Shoutout po kay Kuya Patrick. So guys, ito yung supply run natin sa negosyo. Di ko na pinakita sa loob kasi bawal yata. Ayoko nagbibideo sa loob kasi sigurado may mga makakita. So nakabili na tayo ng mga needs natin. Garbage bags, band paper, snacks ng team. Saka yung hot chocolate ni Gab, nag-request siya. Tsaka yung kape ni boss. Ayun, pangit ng ano niya, gumagalaw, no?
Bibili dapat kami ng pizza guys, pero
Wala.
Sold out sila.
So far, ito muna yung ano namin, supply run. After nito, sigurado sa future jobs, dadami ng dami.
Oo.
That's it. So, nagre-restock na tayo. Tapos na tayong mag-supply run. Ngayon, ayusin natin yung mga stocks, no guys? Para mag-supply ulit siya ng magandang month or 2. Ganun. Bumibili kami as much as possible yung good for 2 months. Ganun, 2 to 3 months. Pero, so far, dahil yung business is dumadaming clients natin guys, so napapadalas yung pagbili natin ng mga supplies. So in the future, kailangan namin itong i-upgrade dahil napapagod kami and wala kaming time. So kailangan namin i-plano sa future na hindi kami ganito gigising na maaga tapos pupunta dito tapos magre-restock. So sa future, kailangan natin ng proper system. Pero for now, kung ano yung mamaandar para magpatakbo yung shop, that's it, no? Good news, papalagay na natin yung aircon, no? Tapos after ng aircon, papalagay na natin yung plumbing nito. So, thousands of dollars yung ginagastos natin guys para ma-upgrade natin yung salon. Nung una, akala natin yung salon is perfect na, wala ka nang bibilin pa. Pero hindi pa pala, no? Sobrang dami pang gastos ng mga unexpected na gastusin, bayarin, no? So, wala, ganun talaga siya guys. Learning curve. Tapos yung process namin nag-i-improve dahil sa mga nangyayari din. Nagkakaroon kami ng mga protocols, nagkakaroon kami ng kung ano-ano pa, no? Kaya mga natututunan din namin sa mga ibang business. Ang basic natin, ganun siya. Super basic tayo ngayon, no? So, ito, nababakbak to. So, ididikit ko na sa pader. Tignan nyo guys. So, nababakbak.
Sabi sa'yo, lagay mo na eh.
Oo, dikit ko na. So, dahil nababakbak siya, tinitipid ko kasi wala kami pang sticker dito. Wala kami pang bilhin na sticker dito guys. Sentro ba?
Yeah.
It's official. Official na guys. That's it. So, sobrang daming gagawin. Si Gianna mag-work siya dito. Tsaka yung tatlong girls, no? And then, ang kailangan natin gawin is kailangan kong umuwi, gawin yung van, and then tapusin dapat tapusin. Tapos kailangan kong kunin yung sink. Dahil meron akong extra sink, gusto kong dalhin dun sa bahay sa rentier.
Nandun na rin yata yung iba kong mga Amazon na para sa shop din.
Okay. Sabay ko na ako sakali. Pero mamaya pahintayin kita na magkaroon ng tao dito. Tapos kung gagawin yung dapat mong gawin. So, technically, meron akong half day to work sa kotse and maghakot. Meron akong half day dito na mag-ayos-ayos kung ano-ano. So, that's it guys. See you later. Hello guys! Guys!
Reveal.
Sana
Ba't ako?
all.
Hindi ako.
Sana all.
Nakasara, pakita mo yung ano.
Guys, 2026 Honda HR-Vs.
Ayan na guys.
Diba?
Brand new. Hindi pala brand new. Brand new.
Yun.
Oh, brand new.
Oh, tapos meron pang isa. Oh guys, dami ng kotse.
Umuulan na ng kotse sa ano guys. Silver ba to?
Ano yung kulay? Para sa yung mga BMW na color.
Kakakuha lang ng sasakyan ni Mami guys. No? Sana all.
Ano po yung kulay dito? Anong free?
Jacket.
Guys,
Tignan niyo yung free. Actually, asan na yung free? Pakita mo yung free. Free
T-shirt? Ano? Parang employee?
Pulang-pula pa naman.
Parang ka palang employee?
Oh, ayan pala eh. Ayan, oh, may free na ano na mag.
Oh, inintay pala ako ni Kuya Joe. Kailangan ko itong ano, Jordy.
Okay.
Doon po sa pipick-upin pa namin. Di pa po kami
Di pa
tapos.
tapos. Sabi sa'yo, di pa tapos.
Last na lang po, last. Galing na kami yung Red Deer eh. Kailangan ko susunod.
Te, pen 5. Te. Ito niya po. Pen 5, te. Congratulations. Sana all. Siya, magkita tayo sa bahay. Hi guys. Busy. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Pasensya na, galing dollar store yung candle.
Ay, natanggal!
Hindi ako yan. Hindi ako yan guys. Oh, mag-wish ka muna.
Wish ko yung mamatay ang lahat.
Yes.
Amen!
Alright. Para sa'yo to, sa'yo to. Ice cream ata to, I'm not sure.
Yay! Ice cream yan?
I don't know, I bought it to DQ. I don't know.
Oh, wow!
Thankful, surprise. Wala lang. Surprise ako.
Gab,
Thank you for coming.
we're family here. Sige. Guys, panibagong araw, panibagong opportunities, panibagong blessing na naman tayo, no?
Panibagong buhok tayo, no?
Yes, no? So, first time ko magganito eh, no?
Sinara mo?
Yeah.
Bakit mo sinara?
Gusto ko nakasara.
Okay. Nandito kami sa Chestermere ngayon,
Yes.
guys.
First time namin sa Chestermere.
Thank you kay CJ sa aking very nice haircut.
Yes. Shout out kay CJ.
Yes, thank you.
May like pala siya dyan eh. Pero ano na to, bawal.
Hey guys, let's give it up for our fire dancer. Come on. Let's get the energy going. Let's go, let's go, let's go. DJ, hit. It's not working. Hello. Wala ba kayo mga energy? Let's go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down,
Pardadyo.
down, up, down.
Kasali ka na sa bar natin. Sa ano?
Let's go! OMG! Where we at? Where we at? Where?
We're done!
Oh yeah, you have to drink from it as well.
Done! We're done!
Wait, Ian, you have to drink from it as well.
Oh, hell no!
Okay, DJ, let's get some music. Hey.
Oh my god.
Ian is 30! Huh? Hey, where's the bag? I don't know. Okay, thank you so much. Now, okay, I need a volunteer. Who wants to hit Ian's pickup? Who wants to hit on Ian?
I think Philip and Dan wants to hit it. Dan should hit it. God damn, Dan, you want to hit my face?
Ah, here we go. Here we go.
Oh my god, I'm really gonna be there.
I think this is done.
He's turning red. Team boy!
Team boy.
Team boy. Wow.
Yes.
Hi.
Hello. Pogi na naman ako. Kanina pumasok ako parang caveman. Ayun, back to normals. Let's go. Magkakaroon tayo ng team building ngayon. So, napaka-importante ng gagawin natin ngayon para mas masaya. Alam mo yun? Siguro kahit mga every
Every 2 months.
2 months ka na. So, let's go. Uwi na tayo. Bali nasa Edmonton pa kami.
Sa Edmonton kami, guys. We'll meet the team at Corner Pocket in Red Deer. Guys, nandito na kami sa Corner Pocket. I am with
First team building natin, guys.
Manager Jill and Associate Gab. Nasa na yung isa?
Nagbanyo.
Associate Gab with extensions. Yan na, guys. Enjoy lang tayo.
Enjoy lang tayo, guys. Tapos meeting konti. Mamaya.
Ano yan? Video yan? Ay. Kamusta guys? Dito na naman tayo. Magkakasama na naman tayo. Dito tayo ngayon sa Corner Pocket guys. Ano yung pinibilyaro nila dito? Hirap si chairman? Uy, pumasok! Ganun kalakas! Ganun tayo kalakas.
Dalawa yan. Gusto ko kasi agad dalawa eh. Ay, ikaw din yan. Malakas to eh, oh.
Yun nga, hot
Tofu. Asan na yung tofu?
Oh, teriyaki beef? Or maybe, wag mo nang kunin ito, actually, so, 78. Tapos, mga apat na chicken.
Happy birthday to you. Paano? Ganyan pag mayaman.
Ganun ba? Mayaman ka. Clock it. Clock it. Clock it.
Dito tayo sa ano ngayon.
Chicken fried rice.
Dito tayo sa Calgary, guys. Nasa Kinjo tayo. Father's Day celebration. And syempre,
Father's Day. Sino Father's Day?
syempre, Happy Father's Day kay Papa at sa lahat ng mga Pinang.
Sa lahat, sa lahat.
Try natin tong ano.
Tsaka birthday ni Mami, guys.
Yes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Bakit kayo mga ganito talaga?
Ganyan lang. Wala yun dito sa gilid. Yun dito lang.
Parang ligo-ligo yan. Tumataas pa yun, ha? Galing pa sa kama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
21, yes.
Yay! Happy birthday! I love you. Yay! Happy birthday!
I never expect that you can eat a cold waffle and it tastes good. Guys, andito tayo sa Lacombe. Meron tinatawag na, anong tawag dito?
Music in
Music
the park.
in the park. So pupunta natin yung mga food trip dito, no? Magpo-food trip tayo, guys. So let's go. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Ano kaya ang kakainin natin? Excited na ba kayo? Tara.
Mm.
Guys, ito na. Tumatay sa likod. Dito ako sa sidewalk, mahulog ka dyan. So, syempre, pinakauna natin titikman, kitang-kita nyo, napaka-bright yellow, guys, di ba? So, ayan nila, guys. Ito ang Village Waffles. So, guys. So, every music in the park, andito sila, no? So, tignan nyo, guys. Ito yung Village Waffles. Na?
How I got you will forever leave you. Can I say, oh, we are breathe you in. It's the texture of your skin. I wanna put my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I say, oh, there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up. Yeah.
So guys, we're gonna try some Village Waffles. This is, what's your name, sir?
I'm Nicholas. Hi.
You're gonna be on my vlog, so some people are watching me, so maybe let's see. We're gonna get some more customers.
It's very kind of you. Thank you.
So what's your what do you call this? Can you tell more about the Village Waffles?
Well, these are Belgian Liège
Nabic
waffles. They're made with pearl sugar that we get imported all the way from Europe. We also have a really nice pistachio sauce that comes from Italy. And
Wow.
they go really well with strawberries, bananas, bacon, chicken, all kinds of things.
Perfect. So what's your bestseller? And maybe you can give us like one bestseller for me and another one for
Sure. How about a strawberry banana and then a pistachio?
All right, like that one.
Okay.
Let's
we'll
do it.
those
Let's
two.
go. Guys, I'm excited. Let's try it. Let's go. So guys, they're preparing the waffles right now. So this is their menu. But this is only like this today as of June 2026. Maybe next time it's next year we're gonna watch this, right? So they have fresh strawberry banana, pistachio, bacon, sweet chili chicken, cookies and cream, Lucky Charms, drizzle lover, and just for kids, and the naked one. Ooh, sounds interesting. Side of bacon, fresh fruit plate. Oh, they also sell fruit plate. Coffee, tea, hot chocolate, pop and water, so they also have drinks, guys. I remember they have bingsu, right?
I think they're still working on it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
So guys, please
for expansion.
like and share Village Waffles social media. You're gonna see where are they or what's the event are they gonna do. So just stay tuned to them. It's really nice, guys. It's my favorite. I'm telling you, it's really my favorite waffles I ever tried in my life. So this is it. They have a special one right now: monster waffle and a unicorn waffle. It's for kids, more on chocolates, right? But let's try the best sellers, right? Let's go, guys. I'm excited.
Wow.
Looks nice.
Hi! Sabi ko parang kilala
Say
ko
hi.
natin. Hi!
I'm promoting Village Waffles.
Hello!
Hello.
Talagang inano nyo yan, ha?
Yes. You can tag me, Warren
Ba't
Canada.
nandiyan kayo?
So guys, we're gonna try this. So this is the strawberry. What is it again?
Strawberry banana.
Strawberry banana. So I know. I already know. My mouth is already watering right now. Let's try it.
Naglaway na.
Yeah. Oh my god. Mahay kapag yung vlog.
Hi! Hi! Extra, ha?
Extra. So guys, we're gonna put. Even this one's so good. So let's put banana and strawberry at the same time with the waffle. Wow. Now I know why Nick telling me like come here so that you can taste it when it's fresh.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna try yours. So this is Gianna, guys. It's a pistachio strawberry. Let's try it. You know what? So that's gonna be more interesting. I'm gonna try to bite it. Oh my god. These are incredible, Nick.
Glad you like it.
Now,
Gian, don't let him eat them all. Make sure you get some.
now I know why you're telling me to come here and taste, try them fresh. Guys, you should try Village Waffles. It's so good. No kidding. I don't like food, but this kind of food, they always give me one. It's my only favorite waffle. I'm telling you guys, I'm so picky in this kind of thing. It's so good. Look at this. Look at them. Right? Oh my gosh, guys. So now, let's see Gianna's reaction on this one. You try it. Just try it.
Let's try this, guys.
Now I'm gonna look for you so that I can try the other flavors.
We've only been getting the
What do you call this again? The waffle itself.
the naked one.
Oh, the naked. Now I know.
We've only been getting the naked one, but we've never gotten to taste the ones with flavor. So this is the strawberry pistachio.
Right? 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 Try this one. The banana strawberry.
They blend well together.
Yeah. And it's not sweet.
Manya-manya na.
Yes.
It's good. Now we'll try the strawberry banana.
The pistachio is my favorite.
Me too. I feel like.
Yeah,
I like the strawberry banana.
the strawberry banana.
But I like this one as well. I don't know, I like everything.
I'm a pistachio girl.
The pistachio, yeah, and the sweet chili. Those are my
Sweet chili?
Those are my go-to.
Really?
Yeah.
Right? It blends well. So guys, now you know. So where can they find you?
You can follow us on Facebook, and we always post where we're heading, but usually you can find us at the Red Deer Market.
How about here on the music?
Well, also, we're trying to make it to every Music in the Park event, but with the way the weather's been, we haven't had much luck. This is our first time well, actually our second time visiting the park. We were there for the first one,
Nice.
but this is our first time actually at the park. For
Yes.
visiting the park.
All right, now guys, you know what to do. Just follow them so that you can see where are they right now. So it's super nice, guys. I'm telling you. Come and try it, and that's it. See you guys. Oh, this is your new recipe.
That's our snowflake bowl. That's just a little sample.
Wow.
So it's called snowflake bowl. Guys, what's this? Let's see what's in the snowflake bowl. So they have waffle. This is the naked one, and they have the strawberry, and I think this is ice.
Bingsu.
Bingsu. Oh, it's a bingsu.
Yeah.
And strawberry, and let's try this combination. It's free. It's only for me, guys. Trial. But they are also sell it here. I never expect that you can eat a cold waffle and it tastes good. Sorry, it's only the last one. You can try it. Right. This is the last waffle. It's only for trial, so. There's two, yeah. So this is their new, I think I added on their menu. So now we can see it in action. Right? We never know we can eat a cold waffle. Is it waffle? Yeah. Right? What can you say?
This is perfect for a hot day.
Yeah.
For summer. Nice.
Can you imagine that waffle, but cold, but it's refreshing.
It's not just for breakfast pala, no? The waffle. You can also
It's like a dessert.
innovate.
Yeah.
You can innovate the waffle into something better.
You know what? That's the perfect term. This is innovation.
Yeah.
You can never find this anywhere.
It's not just for breakfast, guys. You can have it
And
for dessert.
and the bingsu itself, the ice, it has a flavor, but I don't know.
yeah. Milky.
Yeah, I don't.
It's milky.
It's so nice. Because when we went to Edmonton for bingsu, that ice is just ice.
Yeah.
But this one is it's different. It complements the waffle. I don't know, it's so nice. So guys, you should try Village Waffle. See, it's only closed, but we're on the back side. So let's go in the front. Let's show them. So guys, you should try Village Waffles. So just follow their Facebook page, and you will know where are they, and you can try their amazing bingsu and amazing waffles. I really like it. 10 out of 10, maybe 11 or 12 out of 10. So you should try them.
You look so fine, so that made me know that you're mine. Ain't nobody really deserve you. How I got you will forever leave you. And I say, oh, we are breathe you in. It's the texture of your skin. I wanna put my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I say, oh, there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right there with you till the end. I didn't even think that we were vibing nothing. I'm just a normal guy, ain't got nothing going on. But then you said you've been liking songs, so I wrote you some. Now we're humans, so we having fun.